ShipBob is a technology-enabled fulfillment platform that helps e-commerce brands manage inventory, optimize logistics, and provide fast and affordable shipping. Join us for a tour of one of our fulfillment centers to see everything in action. With a network of fulfillment centers around the United States, Canada, Europe, and Australia, and with software that integrates directly into your e-commerce store, ShipBob manages your entire order fulfillment process. You can choose which locations to send your inventory to with the help of our distributed inventory algorithms and recommendations. Upon receiving your inventory, ShipBob then scans your product dimensions and calculates the optimal packing solution based on your shipping preferences. Your products are then moved to stowing and receiving until they're ready to be shipped out. When a customer places an order online, it is automatically routed to the nearest ShipBob fulfillment center with available inventory, providing the most efficient delivery based on speed and costs. This sends a message to the fulfillment center to begin order picking. Throughout this process, you will be able to track your orders in the ShipBob dashboard, complete with timestamps for when the order was imported, picked, packed, and handed off to the carrier. ShipBob provides standard packaging at no extra cost, or you can use your own custom branded shipping materials. We also offer kitting, returns processing, B2B fulfillment, and other value-added services to meet your unique shipping needs. At the pack station, a shipping label is generated and applied to your package. The shipment is then transferred onto a sortation conveyor belt for transport to our outbound dock area for carrier pickup. Our automated carrier sort machine scans every single package and assigns it to a sort lane. Connected to our proprietary warehouse management system, the sorting machine runs quality checks to verify package dimensions and weights. This is recorded in a log that you can check in the ShipBob dashboard. The carrier then picks up your package, and the log is updated to show that it is out for shipment. And a little while later, the package arrives at your customer's front door, providing the fast and affordable shipping that consumers demand today. Want to learn how we can help your business? Please reach out.